I'm going to give you a tutorial how to find and collect your toys or things around you. Are you ready? Yay! But before that, do you know about the song? If you are wearing red, shake your head. If you are wearing red, shake your head. Now, let's find. Look at this red color. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at this. I have a lot of toys. Now, I'm trying to find the red color of my toys. Can you help me please to find the red color? Alright. I think this is red color. Is it? Is the trolley color is red? Yeah, this color is pink. So this is not red color. Aha! I know! The red color is this one. Is this? Oh, this one is white. Sorry. I know red. It means ta-da! Like this mat. This one is red, right? Yes, red color. So I will find and collect the red color. Is this red? This window is red too. This board is red too. And do I have another color? Aha! This one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 toys for the red color. Okay, Kitty. The next color is... I will show you the next color. Look up. The song is like this. If you are wearing blue, touch your shoe. If you are wearing blue, touch your shoe. So the color is? Yes, blue color. Are you ready to find blue color? Let's go. Okay, look around. Which one is blue color? How about this? Is this blue color? Yes, this one is green. This one? This tamarind? Is this blue? Yeah, good job, Kitty. This color is pink. So which one is blue color? You're right. This jar is blue color. And another blue is here. This one. And this is the teapot, and I found this. This is the doctor's bag. Blue. Another blue. I found this too. I got the stethoscope. So how many blue toys do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 toys for the blue color. Alright, Kitty. So now, I already have red color and blue color. Now it's your turn to find and collect your toys or things around you from red color, blue color, yellow, black, and white color. Find the toys, okay? Are you ready? Yes? Okay, I'm waiting for your video or photo.